Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a model volcano and then we're going to make it erupt as well. So first let me explain what you're going to need. So you will need an empty plastic bottle or another container about this size, quite small. Some sheets of paper, although if you want your volcano to last a bit longer, maybe for several eruptions, then it's better to use card or even use papier-mâché. But the simplest and quickest way is to use paper. We're also going to need some scissors, some tape, a pencil or pen, some paints. I've gone for brown, green and red for mine. Paintbrush, some vinegar, bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, washing up liquid, some water, and then we're going to need some things to measure with. So we're going to need a tablespoon, a small bowl, and a cup. And lastly, as an optional thing you can use to make your lava the right colour is some food colouring. So ideally this would be red. I can only find dark pink, so I'm going to use that today. But the eruption will still work even without the food colouring. So the first thing you need to do is take your plastic bottle and you're going to put it upside down on the paper and draw around the hole at the top with your pen or pencil. And then we're going to cut that out. And you'll probably need at least 2 sheets. If your bottle or container's a bit bigger, you might need more. So I've drawn a circle in the middle and I'm going to cut that circle and then cut it out. And I've got 2 sheets of paper here, one on top of the other. Okay, and once you've done that, you can start to tape that around your bottles. This is going to make our volcano. So you put the hole over the top and wrap it around and tape it down. So on one side you can still see the bottle, but it's covered on the other side. So I'm going to put the other piece of paper over this side. And now I need a third piece of paper and I'm going to tape the pieces of paper around the volcano onto that third piece. So that's going to be like the ground for our model. So once that's all taped down and ready, that's when you can paint your volcano. Since I've got the one I prepared earlier, I'm going to use that one to show you how to make the eruption now. So you've got your model volcano, it's all painted and you can choose what colours you want to use. And now I'm going to show you what you mix to make your lava. So take your bowl and your tablespoon and you're going to need 1 tablespoon of that bicarbonate of soda. So you put that into your bowl first. And then you want another tablespoon of washing up liquid. And 2 tablespoons of water. And then you're going to mix that all together. Okay, and when that's all mixed up, you're going to put it inside the bottle or the container you're using in the middle of your volcano. So you're going to pour it in carefully. Okay. And once that's in, we're going to make another mixture, this time in the cup. So you want about half a cup of vinegar. A small cup like this. And then if you're using the food colouring, this is when you add the food colouring. So if you are using food colouring, you want to add about a tablespoon into your vinegar. Okay, so you can see that's coloured now, so it's going to be the lava. Now, before you activate your volcano and start that eruption, it's important to remember that it does get a bit messy. So you want to make sure that your model is on a wipeable surface or on something that's protecting the surface, like some newspaper. Okay, so I'm going to add that in, and we should see the lava starting to froth up and erupt from the volcano. Okay, there we go. And that's how you make a model volcano, and then you can make it erupt. I hope you enjoy making your own model, and hope to see you again soon. Goodbye.